Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you what you can do with your side button on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. When you press and hold the side button, you will get this menu here to power off your phone. But if you double press, our camera opens up and you can make some settings to what you want to happen if you double tap the side button. For that, we want to go to our settings, and here we want to then go to advanced features, and now we want to go to side button. And right now, double press quick launch camera, but we can also say to open an app, and here we can decide what app we want to open up if we double press our side button. Let's say we want to open up health. If we double tap on the side button, and then we will double tap again, and then the health app will open up. So that's really quick and easy how you can customize the side button of your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.